Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Leadeleaper extension. This tool is a robust Chrome extension designed to help you efficiently find business-to-business email addresses and phone numbers. It seamlessly integrates with your LinkedIn Premium or Sales Navigator accounts, allowing you to discover verified contact information directly from professional profiles. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to streamline their lead generation efforts. Finding contact information with Leadeleaper is straightforward. Begin by visiting the LinkedIn profile of your desired prospect. Once on their profile, simply click the Leadeleaper extension icon located in your browser's toolbar. The extension will then process the information and promptly display the verified business email address and often a phone number, saving these details for your future use. Beyond just finding emails, Leadeleaper offers several powerful features. You gain access to a built-in Leads customer relationship management system, helping you organize all your discovered contacts. The virtual assistant can automate lead discovery, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, real-time lead scoring helps you quickly identify and prioritize the most motivated prospects for your outreach efforts. To truly maximize your outreach, Leadeleaper allows you to capture numerous pages of new leads in one go, significantly boosting your prospecting speed. You can also monitor engagement history, which helps prevent sending redundant messages to the same contacts. Integrating with scalable engagement workflows ensures your messaging is always tailored and effective, leading to better conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.